All right, so listen to this. Billionaire entrepreneur Mark Cuban, we all know who he is telling students something pretty simple right now. Bet big on AI. And according to him, this could literally decide who succeeds in the job market over the next decade. Now, Cuban's point isn't that everyone needs to become some kind of hardcore programmer or AI engineer. Not at all. What he's actually saying is people who simply understand how to use AI tools are going to have a huge advantage. I 100% agree with that. Right now, a lot of companies are kind of in this weird position where they know AI is important, but they don't actually know how to use it. So the people who can come in and say, hey, I can automate this process. I can use AI to analyze this data. I can build a workflow that saves you hours of work. These people instantly become extremely valuable to the business. Cuban even said young people should spend time experimenting with AI tools right now because it can help them land jobs left and right. And here's the interesting part. He says the biggest opportunity isn't actually building AI, it's applying it. For example, small companies might need someone to use AI for customer service. Marketing teams might need AI to create content faster. Businesses might use AI to automate boring tasks or analyze information. So if you understand how to combine AI plus real business problems, that's where the opportunity is. But Cuban also gave a kind of a warning. He says the future is probably going to be split into two groups of people. One group uses AI to learn faster, think bigger, and become more productive. The other group uses AI so they don't have to think at all. And according to Mark, the first group is going to dominate the economy. So his message to students is pretty clear. Don't ignore AI, learn how to use it, experiment with it. Because the people who figure it out early might have a massive advantage in the jobs of the future. And honestly, we're probably just at the beginning of all this. Couldn't agree more. Until next time.